couple weeks ago, my family and I went to the Smoky Hill River Festival in Salina, Kansas. And here's an aerial of the grounds where the festival was. There was a number of stages with music going on pretty well constantly. Kids' crafts, lots of food. And there was a section with tents and crafts for sale, and a section with a bunch of artists with art for sale. And one of those artists did computer art. His name was Scott Burns, and his company is Designed by Algorithm. And he did a lot of fractal art. Really neat, in my opinion. And I talked to Scott and I asked him how he accomplished this, and he pointed me to an FAQ that he had printed off from his website and put on the wall there. And here's the FAQ. To bottom line it, I guess that he uses C Basic and Fortran. And although I don't know C, I don't know Fortran, it's been a number of years since I've used Basic, I thought, wow, that would be a pretty good challenge. I've been interested in fractals for quite some time and getting pretty good at programming in a bunch of ways. Why not try and do some of this myself? And math really isn't my strong point, but I could see that on the back of each of his works that he had there, he provided the code. Well, it was more like a script that he said produced the image. So I went ahead and bought one, and the one that I got kind of looks like a big old bonsai tree. And I thought to myself, well, there's a challenge. I'm going to see if I can learn to produce fractals or computer art using, I don't know, Flash and ActionScript or Ruby or Java or some language that I am familiar with. And I asked him, he was not willing to really elaborate on his process. I guess that's pretty understandable considering the look like anyway. He was doing some pretty good business there, so makes it that much bigger of a challenge for me to try and figure out how to do this.